So all I want to do is build my little tower. My little tower here. Oh, let's see. I put 7, 6, 5. What happened? What did you do? Okay, well, Mommy's just going to build another one. Can I take that and put it here? If there's my... Oh! Oh! That was my tower. You knocked down my tower. All right, let me see. No, that's not nice. That was mine. Let me build another one. That was mine, Dylan. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. Yes, and then I'm gonna... Oh! Not nice. Alright, I'm gonna build this up. Ooh, look at my tower. It's getting so big. Alright, well, clearly I can't play with my cups here. Yeah. No more things to knock down. You win.